It's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. In a crowded space, stand out as a leader. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth hands-free link, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Auto Week proclaims the Honda Civic got a new attitude. After dropping some weight, adding better materials to the interior, and improving fuel economy, the Civic demands even more attention than it already gets. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.